This video is going to walk you through how to fix a QR code error for an administered assessment. So to find your way to the Manage Scan page, select Manage Scans from the left-hand side here, and then you're going to go ahead and drag and drop your files into the Upload Scan area. So that will work through the pages, and you'll see those pages go from pending up to completed. And if there are any errors, you will see them listed here. When you scroll down, you can see that those are the errors listed here and that there's an undetectable QR code error. So this might happen if someone on the team has cut off the QR code when they, before the pages have been scanned. So there is a way to rectify this. What you can do is select Fix on the under Actions there. And you'll see here that in this particular case, the QR code has been drawn over. This here is called the UUID number. And this is a series of letters and numbers that is a sort of numeric version of the QR code here. So if this is visible, the UUID, you can use this to match the page to the correct place. So up in the right-hand search bar here, you're going to select or type the UUID number as you see it on the page. And as you are typing, you will see the options come up here, and you'll confirm that this is the correct page by selecting it and then select Submit. And now you will see that that page is now going to be accessible for you for grading. And you can go ahead and do that for any QR code errors that you have by following that same process.